What's up, Glamazons? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you for joining us. If you are returning, welcome back. My name is Natalie, and today we are going to be unbagging my Ipsy Glam Plus for the month of January. It feels pretty heavy, so yeah. My Ipsy Plus is usually like the last subscription that I get, but it actually got here at the same time as BoxyCharm, so I'm really excited about that. And ooh, let's see what's inside. Well, there's something that's not in the bag, so I'm just gonna automatically go for that. You know when you get so, you see something and you get so excited, and then you realize it's something you already have. This is legit, I think, the third time I've received, oops, sorry baby, this eyeshadow palette. This is the B Beauty Barbarella eyeshadow palette. So here is what it looks like. So obviously not excited about that. Oh, and the mirror is cracked. Wonderful. Yeah, I'm gonna be contacting Ipsy for sure. Okay, I'll either be keeping this for a giveaway or give it to one of my friends at work who's like just getting into makeup. All right, let's move on. Let's see what the bag is. Maybe that'll cheer me up. Nope. Definitely not. I like neon green, but like, what is this, like an iguana print? Like, really? Okay, I read out there's information. I was correct. All right. So, oh, this is why it was so heavy. Okay, I do like Cora's. I think that's how you say it. This is the, it's in languages other than English. Oh, there we go. Lavender Blossom Body Milk. Okay. Lavender Blossom Moisturizing Body Milk. This is huge. It's 6.76 ounces. Damn. I mean, I like lavender, but I'm not like, so many people like obsessed with it. I don't know why I'm not one of those people. I'm just not. It smells really good though. All right, moving right along. Next is this Wing Me Little Liquid Liner. And I just got a liquid eyeliner in my BoxyCharm. Oh, this really is little. They were not kidding. It's super small. It feels like it's gonna like run dry in like 3 applications. Let me show it compared to the eyeliner I got in BoxyCharm so you can see. It's like, I guess it's not that small, it just feels like it. Okay, so many black eyeliners, so creative. Next is, okay, here we go. This is the Tarte of the Sea H2O Balm Lip Tint, and this is in Just Breathe. I guess this is a new line or new release from Tarte because there was a cream blush in my BoxyCharm that I did not like the color, but this seems like it's same packaging, same kind of theme. Okay, I could get down with that. Oh, that's actually a really pretty color too. I'll add it to what I'm wearing. And what I'm wearing is, you guys know how long it's been since I bought a MAC lipstick? Like a decade. I got this MAC Luster Glass Sheer Shine lipstick in I've Been Naughty. Oh, I didn't even realize that was the name. I like it even more. But oh, the packaging is rose gold with like gold dots. I love it. And it's like the most beautiful nude ever. All right, sorry. Back to this. Okay. Oh, it's so sorry. It's sheer, so I don't. Oh, it's actually pretty. I wasn't sure if it was going to show up over that lipstick, but it actually did. Okay. It's really moisturizing. I like that. Is that only one product left? I feel like there should be more. So I'm not happy with some of this stuff. Alright. The last product is, oh my god, I love this packaging. Half-Caked Star Bright Loose Setting Powder. Okay. In translucent. Oh, so cute. So it opens up to a powder puff I'll never use. Oh, it's one of those. I wonder if you can get to the powder without doing it that way. Oh, look, there's a mirror on the bottom. Oh yeah, you should be able to lift this up. Okay. But if you're not a freak like me and you like the little mesh thing that comes with it, then there you go. Okay, that's not gonna do anything, but why was even trying? All right, so I'm really excited about the powder, the Tarte lip tint. This is a really good body butter. And yeah, that's all I'm excited about. But, I mean, why do they have to give me that eyeshadow palette? And it's broken. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Oh, real quick. I'm starting to get into sublimation. It's a lot harder than I was expecting. But I made this luggage tag. I made a few actually, but I just thought that came out really pretty. Alright, bye guys.